Welcome back to Car Reviewpedia, your go-to destination for honest, no-nonsense reviews of the latest and greatest cars hitting the roads. Today, we've got something really special lined up for you. We're diving deep into the 2025 KTM. And let me tell you right off the bat, this isn't your typical everyday vehicle. This is a raw, track-focused machine that blurs the line between a street car and a full-blown race weapon. Now, KTM is better known for their motorcycles, especially high-performance dirt bikes and superbikes. But with the release of the 2025 KTM sports car, they've made it crystal clear. They're here to shake up the lightweight performance car market, and they've done it in the most KTM way possible. No compromises, no fluff, just pure adrenaline. Let's talk design. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the 2025 KTM demands attention. The aggressive, angular lines, exposed carbon fiber panels, and minimalist aerodynamic styling scream performance. There's no unnecessary weight here. Everything serves a purpose. The front splitter, the massive rear diffuser, and the sharp wing aren't just for show. They're carefully sculpted for downforce, and it shows when you're behind the wheel. Slide into the cockpit, and you'll immediately understand the philosophy behind this car. It's more race car than road car. You're surrounded by carbon, fiber, minimal padding, and functional switchgear. Don't expect luxury materials or a giant infotainment system. Instead, you get a digital dash that gives you exactly what you need: RPMs, speed, gear position, and vital temps. It's built for focus, for control, and for speed. Under the hood, or more accurately, in the middle of the chassis, lies the heart of this beast. KTM has equipped the 2025 model with a turbocharged four-cylinder engine that produces an astonishing amount of power considering the car's weight. We're talking close to 400 horsepower in a chassis that weighs just over 1,500 pounds. That power-to-weight ratio is almost unheard of in a production vehicle, and the result? Blistering acceleration, sharp cornering, and a level of feedback that most modern cars have lost in their quest for comfort. This car isn't just fast in a straight line. What sets it apart is its handling. Thanks to a race-inspired suspension, setup, a stiff chassis, and razor-sharp steering, the 2025 KTM communicates every inch of the road, or track, directly to your hands. Every corner becomes an event. Every input you give is met with immediate response. And with a well-balanced rear-wheel drive layout, experienced drivers can truly dance with this machine at the limit. Now let's be real. This car isn't for everyone. It's loud. It's stiff. It doesn't come with a long list of driver aids or creature comforts. There's no adaptive cruise control, no lane assist, and definitely no plush leather seats. But if you're a purist, if you crave the connection between man, machine, and road, this car is going to speak to your soul. One of the most surprising aspects is the engineering detail. KTM hasn't cut corners. Everything from the suspension, arms to the cooling system has been meticulously designed for performance. It's clear they've drawn on their racing heritage, and it pays off. Whether you're setting lap records or carving through your favorite back road, this car delivers in spades. We took it out on both the road and the track for this review, and we can confidently say, it's one of the most exhilarating experiences you can have behind the wheel in 2025. There's an honesty to this car. It doesn't try to pretend it's something it's not. And in an age where most performance cars are becoming digital playgrounds, the 2025 KTM is refreshingly analog. So who's this car really for? It's for the enthusiast who wants something unique. Someone who values raw performance over luxury. It's for the driver who wakes up early just to hit the canyon roads before the traffic starts. It's for the track day warrior who doesn't want to trailer a race car but still wants race car performance. If that sounds like you, the 2025 KTM might just be your dream machine. That wraps up our full review of the 2025 KTM. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to Car Reviewpedia, and turn on